What's up, gang? Thanks for tuning in. So if you've got a 2019 or above Chevrolet Silverado or Sierra, you got the same problem I got, which is that back light is super dim, and nighttime, if you lost something back there, you're out of luck. So anyway, I picked up this light here, the rear interior light from Boost Auto Parts. They make great stuff. Had to pick it up. I'm gonna install it in my truck real quick. It's a super easy install, fast enough where I'm gonna stay outside in the cold and do it. But real quick, I'm gonna show you how dim this light is. All right, so we're just gonna open up the door and show you. So look how weak that thing is. Produces no light at all. I'm gonna hop up in there. We're gonna show you how easy that thing is to install. I basically just have two things. I've got a trim tool and a flathead screwdriver, which you probably won't need either one. Let's get started now. All right, so I'm in the back seat. I got to show you how dim this thing is. So I'm going to go ahead and push on it. Puts off almost no light at all. We're going to change that out. I got to show you the quality on this thing real quick. All right, so first off, I got to compliment Boost Auto because they always have, made in USA, but they always have great packaging on all their products. You can just tell everything's careful made. I like on the back, this shows you kind of where the clips or anything are at. So let me go ahead and get it opened up. And it's more of a frosted look, which I like. Nice Boost Auto label. And so these are the pins we're going to be basically pulling out when we go to tug this thing out. So let's go ahead and let's get the old one removed. All right, so I'm sitting in the back seat. That's the front, of course. I'm just going to take this and try to pry on it with my fingers. You tug it up a little bit. It's not too bad. Yeah, see, that's pretty much it. So let me show you. So basically this red clip here, that's what we're going to use the screwdriver on. Take that, just pump it up, slide up. All right, then once you do that, you should be able to just push this up. Just like that. All right, so real quick, while I've got that off, I want to show you a comparison of the two lights. All right, now thanks to my little tool, you can kind of see the difference between these. So it's got one LED in these, okay, and then this thing here, what Boost Auto reports is 36 LEDs, so it just looks a little slicker side by side. You can just tell it's just a nicer light. Let's go ahead and put that in real quick. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just peel this off. It's way like that, so we just want to basically push it. Right here. All right, then just push it down. Should tug. And if you can see, if I clamp it back in here, those lights are working. Way brighter. I like how it kind of goes, it slowly dims as you turn it on and off. So let's go ahead and push it back up in there. All right, so that's pretty much it. Now, that's how they work. I'm going to turn this light off so you can see what it does in the back seat. That's the difference it makes. Way brighter. Alright, so like I said, this was a super easy install. To wrap this video up, I'm going to show you one more time what it looks like now, before and after. Open this back door up. So we'll wrap it up. So again, I got these at Boost Auto. I'll drop a link down below. If you've not had Boost Auto before, I highly recommend them. They have awesome towing mirrors, which I have on this truck, and they also have steps as well that are really, really cool. Tons of features, and if you've been following my channel for a while, you know I also did the amber override switch, which I've been really, really pleased with. Get a lot of compliments from it. There it is. So anyway, I want to say thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day.